Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to calibrate PlayStation 5 controller sticks. Let's go. It is not possible to calibrate the controller in the PlayStation 5. You will need a computer to calibrate. Open DualShock tools on GitHub. Connect your DualSense controller. Connect. Choose your DualSense controller. Calibrate stick center. Start. Follow the instructions. Calibrate stick range. Follow the instructions. Save change permanently. That's it. Now you know how to calibrate PlayStation 5 controller sticks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.